Want a cleaner, more modern Windows desktop? In this tutorial, I will show you how to download a custom wallpaper and use Taskbar Plus to make your taskbar translucent, all in just a few minutes. I'm Ali, and today I will show you how to transform your Windows desktop with sleek wallpaper and translucent taskbar using Taskbar Plus. Let's dive in. As you can see, we are starting with the default Windows 11 taskbar and a simple wallpaper. It's functional, but today we are going to elevate it into something truly stunning. Let's begin by clicking the link in the video description. It will take you to a curated collection of beautiful modern wallpapers. Browse through the option and select one that suits your style. Once you have made your choice, click download to save the image. Simply right-click the download image and choose Set as Desktop Background. Then close the browser tab to admire the results. A clean, minimal look that sets the tone for what's next. Now let's upgrade the taskbar. Open the Microsoft Store and search for Taskbar Plus, a free and trusted tool designed specifically for Windows customization. Unlike many third-party apps found on external websites, Taskbar Plus is safe, lightweight, and easy to use. Once installed, launch the application. You will immediately notice the transformation, a sleek, translucent taskbar with a subtle gloss effect that blends beautifully with your wallpaper. And just like that, your Windows desktop goes from ordinary to exceptional, stylish, modern, and uniquely yours. And that's it. A fresh wallpaper and a translucent taskbar, your desktop just got a glow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments what customization you want next. Thanks for watching. Stay brilliant. I'll see you in the next one.